Hi, I'm Randy Reed. It's todayinlighting.com. Tuesday, 2 July from Seagrove Beach, Florida. We're sponsored by Interlux, maker of the original edgeless cove. If you enjoy Today in Lighting, please hit the like button. Here are the stories making news. IES NYC proudly unveils the Guiding Lights Circle Mentorship Program, a transformative membership initiative designed to enrich the talents of both established and emerging professionals within the lighting industry. David Wolfel simplifies lighting language with 5 promises: improve performance, enhance understanding, foster comfort, ensure focus, and support adaptability. Visit designinglighting.com to read the full article. The DLC has released NLC 5.1, enhancing cybersecurity and standards for network lighting controls. Effective 1 August, the update aims to boost energy savings and system interoperability without delisting current products. Details at edisonreport.com. ERCO Lighting presents the 2024 Educator Workshop in Germany, 20 through 23 August. Explore advanced teaching methodologies and technology innovations with industry leaders. Register at designinglighting.com. Deborah Gottesman joins the Get a Grip on Lighting podcast and discusses the importance of personalized lighting solutions, particularly for visually impaired clients. Alloy LED introduces Surfaflex 1, a flexible, low-profile aluminum channel for curved surfaces, offering uniform, hotspot-free illumination in compact indoor spaces. Customizable up to 100 feet. Yesterday, the Dow gained 51 points, but LSI was down nearly 3%. That's it. Go light up the world. Have a great day. Pray for peace.